In today's complex product portfolios, a single engineering BOM change rarely affects just one product. When components are shared across multiple product variants, small updates can ripple across many BOMs, adding risk, rework, and delay. Teamcenter simplifies multi-product BOM change management, bringing it into a single controlled process. When a supplier discontinues a key radar module, engineers must replace it across multiple vehicle models. Traditionally, this means updating each BOM manually, a time-consuming and error-prone process. In Teamcenter, engineers can quickly search for the new component and identify all affected vehicles. The change content view shows only the impacted components. Using Edit Structure, the engineer opens the Replace panel and selects the new radar module from the palette. Replace all updates every assembly in one bulk action. Red lines confirm the change, ensuring accuracy and traceability. While part replacement is a common use case, there's more you can do with multi-BOM change and edit, like performing design updates, driving cost reductions, adapting to regulatory compliance changes, and achieving platform standardization. This flexibility empowers teams to respond quickly to business needs without sacrificing control or visibility.